Grow Healthy, Grow Happy, The Whole Baby Guide is a comprehensive reference book filled with over 800 colorful pages of ideas, tips, activities, and recipes to give your child a healthy beginning. It offers 3 books in one with color-coded sections that are organized into 3 parts: Whole Baby, Whole Food, and Whole Living. After more than 30 years of focusing on developing the best natural products, author Becky Cannon draws from her background in child development, Japanese traditional foods and healing, and raising 2 children. Dedicated to her own mother, Cannon's all-encompassing book supports a positive, whole, and integrated approach in parenting. She respects parents' intuition, intelligence, and individuality while presenting tried-and-true traditional ideas in a contemporary way. Learn daily practices, theories, and essential skills to support your child's health and well-being. Establish your baby's holistic foundation for healthy eating and find suggestions for going out and celebrating special occasions with your child. Discover the guide and reference list of products you'll need and what to look for when shopping and making choices for your baby.
And now I understand what love really means.
Grow Healthy, Grow Happy, The Whole Baby Guide is built on the foundation of Cannon's personal experience, as well as extensive research into medical studies and social exploration, all of which comes together in an all-encompassing whole guidebook for parents. It begins with nurturing guidelines for whole parenting to help you establish a strong foundation for your baby to reach their full potential. Whole Baby delves into your baby's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This section offers activities and practices that guide natural wellness and healing as your baby develops. In-depth charts and graphics showcase milestones in development while exploring tools for whole learning through various ages and stages. See what primary, secondary, and complex emotions look like. Discover ways to nurture your child's emotional and social intelligence, spirituality, and identity development. Included are ways to encourage mindfulness, cultivate humor, and use the Enneagram personality profile in parenting. Use the Whole Foods section to build a foundation for healthy cooking, eating, and enjoying special times. Along with recipes, read information about 9 food groups, menu plans, and shopping lists to help you choose foods for your baby or toddler, focusing on optimum nutrition, flavors, and balance. Cannon tells readers how she has applied these recipes in raising her own children and still prepares them today. Find tips to enjoy the fun and adventures of travel, social events, holidays, as well as how to return to a balanced routine when the celebration is over. The Whole Living section is a resource for ingredients and materials found in products for feeding and toys, skincare, textiles, environmental substances, and food additives. Here you can find information regarding the properties, pros, and cons of each material. The Testing, Certifications, and Manufacturing Process section explains the use of chemicals in manufacturing, product safety agencies, and iPlay's commitment to safety and the environment. From nursing items that help mom to developmental toys, browse the product guide sections for insight into all the helpful and necessary items that support natural living. Each section is organized by needs and age appropriateness. Knowing exactly what you will need when you're expecting and what is optional can be very stressful for family members and mothers-to-be. The newborn shopping list simplifies creating a home environment filled with healthy items before your baby arrives. Grow Healthy, Grow Happy, The Whole Baby Guide is your complete resource to parenting, the healthy and natural way. Parents enjoy its applicability to daily life, as well as the values and whole principles that nurture a rich, wholesome existence.
Now I understand what love